आप अपना नाम और स्कूल का नाम चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए. I'll wait for you guys to send message with your name and school name on the chat box. थैंक यू अश्विनी, जयमाला, मधु. कुछ रिस्पॉन्सेस आने लग गए स्लोली. गुड. तो मतलब मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि आप लोग मेरी बात अच्छे से सुन पा रहे हैं और आपके रेस्पॉन्सेस आपके रेस्पॉन्सेस यहाँ पे बहुत क्विकली आ रहे हैं. प्रियंका थैंक यू, आसमा थैंक यू. गुड. Rita, Lolita, I get to see you guys are from various different schools, mostly from Pune, Satara, Lahore, Mumbai, these kind of locations. Very good. Very good. I've got some responses already. We've got around 75 registrations, 75 participants on the call. We've got 36 responses. When we teach in an online class, we will also see this. That's the first lesson for all of us. That is, जब भी हम लोग online class में पढ़ाएंगे, there'll be some kids, some participants who will be quick, जो जल्दी से भेजेंगे. Right? These are early movers. Some of them who are like, क्या करना है, and then they will send it out. And some of them will be like, अरे क्या करना है, ये क्यों करना है, and they send it at the last. So all three kind of audiences we will find in our classes, and all three kind of audiences are the audiences who will be interested to learn from us. That's why they are there in the class, right? Oh, we've got some people from Bangalore also. Welcome, very good. Cool. My name is Harsha Atri. I'm an engineer. I am a businessman. I've started my own firm where we teach science and technology, science, technology, engineering, maths, STEM to kids. We've been doing since the past 10 years. Or online teaching is something that I'm very passionate about. Because we have our head office in Bangalore and we have a branch office here. There's a lot of there are a lot of online classes we conduct for our franchises also. तो एक साल से हम लोग क्लास करते आ रहे हैं ऑनलाइन. Dipesh is a very good friend of mine. Hi Dipesh. Dipesh, hi.
Yes, hi, hello.
Hi Dipesh. Yes, hi. तो Dipesh and me हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि कुछ ऑनलाइन क्लास करने के लिए कैसे इसको इनोवेटिव बना सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा कि तो we both said let us conduct a class online. Okay? Let us conduct this course online. So I see that a lot of you guys are pretty innovative on Zoom. कुछ आप लोग ने annotate start कर दिया है. I request you to stop annotating. I'm sure these are the lessons that you will find. That's why we've kept annotate on. आप देखोगे कि कुछ आपके बच्चे annotate के साथ इसी तरह खेलेंगे जैसे यहाँ पे कोई खेल रहा है. Okay, so I was telling you that मैं और दीपेश हम लोग बात कर रहे थे how to make this fun and interesting for kids. तो हमने क्या किया? We thought of first bringing up this whole idea where people will come onto this course or this lecture because they understand the reality. और reality क्या है? Reality ये है कि भाई अब क्लासरूम का जो व्यू है वो बदल गया है. It was a classroom where I, as a teacher, would be the focus, and the children would be my learners, and all these guys will be at my arm's length. इन सबसे टच एंड फील कर सकता हूँ. They can see me. मैं उनसे हाथ बात कर सकता हूँ. मैं उनसे बॉडी लैंग्वेज जान सकता हूँ. I can do this quickly. मेरा क्लास 75 years से मेरा क्लास इसी तरह चल रहा है. और उससे पहले अराउंड 150 ईयर्स से क्लास इस तरह चल रहा है जहां पे आपको मैं रिलेशनशिप के हिसाब से जानता हूं. राइट? Anyway, so अब क्लासरूम बदल गया है, ऑनलाइन टीचिंग आ गया है, दैट इज व्हाई ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस आर हियर. अब क्लासरूम घर पे है, जैसा बच्चे को चाहे वो बच्चा कर सकता है, वो लर्नर कर सकता है. तो हम लोग ने क्या सोचा कि वी विल डू अ सिंपल ऑनलाइन क्लास विच इज जस्ट बेसिक्स ऑफ व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट टीचर्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड आर डूइंग. अब मैं 10 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. There'll be people who will be teaching from 30 years, 40 years, even more, right? तो आपकी भी कुछ inputs रहेंगे. You're free to give your inputs. You're free to ask questions also. तो आपके जो inputs रहेंगे, आपके जो questions रहेंगे, we'll be taking up all these things and discussing these in detail, right? Now, मैंने आपके साथ हिंदी और इंग्लिश दो लैंग्वेज में बात किया. I want you to just send a message on the chat. Which language do you prefer as a mode of communication? Should it
Shall
be?
we have poll also?
Okay, so you can just do the poll. So हम लोग को वो वैसे भी पता ना था.
So I need to launch poll. Right?
हाँ.
Okay. So you can select the option from both the options. You can see. You can see poll, Harsha.
Yeah. I can see it very clearly. It's one of the things that we were trying to anyway teach our learners.
Right.
So
Yes. No, I just wanted to know as a co-host. I'm not very much sure. You know what all things you
yeah,
can see.
I can see. So we've got more than 91% asking for English. So we'll have to probably stick more with English.
Yeah.
Cool. Shall I end the polling, Dipesh?
Yes. We can end the poll.
Thank you. So these are the results that we've got, guys. Right? So मैं ये जो कर रहा हूँ, whatever I'm doing, there's a reason for it. Just have a look at the results as of now, and I'm going to tell you why we did this polling in the beginning. Okay. So right now, oh, we are at 100. Okay, there are 100 participants. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy. There are 100 participants already. Congratulations.
Yesterday there were many more, but due to some circumstances,
no problem. Okay. Yeah. So I was talking about doing a simple presentation where we will do some basic stuff only. Your inputs and feedback are very much welcome on the chat. We will be picking up some of these things and we'll be talking during the class also, during the course also. Cool. So these are the 4 things that we've broken this down into. One is AV, one is best practices, our LMS software that you know how we can use it and leverage it, and some funda about presentation. अभी मैंने बताया कि the format of the class has changed because a lot of us used to do a board-based class either on a blackboard or a whiteboard or an audio video board. Now it's a little different where we are doing this online. So there are so many new things and so many new new tools we have. So those are the ones that I'm going to focus on. Okay. Now let's go to AV check first. Right. AV check is audio video. Some basic stuff I've mentioned. I've also asked you guys to give some input on this. Whenever we do a class, whenever we do an online course, the most important part is lighting. So a lot of times we see this happening. Okay, I'm going to show you a demo also. A lot of times we see this happening, that light is at the back, and on my face the light is less. And now the light is on my face. Now I've switched off the light at the back. Now, because I am able to do this, I'm able to show it to you. But when you do it, there's a lot of impact that this creates. You should always be having the light on your face. You should be sitting in the place that has a light on your face. You can give some responses on the chat about what you guys have done to make sure that you are able to do this. Because all of us are working from home. So there'll be a lot of jugaad that we'll have to do to make sure that we have this kind of light on our face. So there'll be teachers here who want to learn from you. Give us some inputs, give us some suggestions on what you have done, so others can also copy it and make their environment successful. The chat is open. Send your messages on chat, and we'll all read it. And if there's anything that is very effective, we will also read it aloud. Next is camera position. So this is my whole screen. I should look at least 40-50% of my face to be covered on the video, right? If it's a live session, I want 40-50% of my face on the video. Do you want to have a backdrop? We can do a lot of changes on the backdrop. On my Zoom, I have an option to change the backdrop also. I can just go to video. You can right now go to video. In video, there's a video settings on your laptop, and there you can choose a virtual background if you want. If you want, you can stick to the same background. But then what you need to make sure is, you need to make sure that the background, sorry, you need to make sure that the background is neat and clean, right? So आगे से आपका शायद ऐसा दिखता हो, this is how your place may look like, but पीछे at the back, make sure that there is no clutter. कोई चलता फिरता वो नहीं हो. There's not a lot of things. One mistake that we do, right? One mistake that we normally see people doing. पीछे एक पुराना सा plug point होता है. We have a plug point at the back, or there's a beam at the back. Let us try to avoid it as much as possible, because if we can have a background that's plain, that will be fantastic. Now I'm going to give you a 1-minute break to just evaluate where you're sitting when you teach during the class, and see what are the things that you need to do. And if you've done something effective, send a suggestion to the chat box. We'll wait for you for 1 minute. Hi everybody, we've given a 1 minute break, so that you can send your suggestions on the chat box. You can talk to everybody about what you have done to make your place of work effective, or what challenges you face to make your place of work effective. We can answer a question, or we can take your suggestion. Send it on your chat box. Just send a reply on your chat box. Deepa, Yogita, some good suggestions by you. Yes, we can use mobile very effectively. I use mobile pretty often. Let's see what others have got to say. We'll wait for some more time. We want this to be a collaborative thing where we learn from each other also. I'll give you a couple more minutes. I want you guys to send your messages on what idea you have used, what jugaad you have used to make this background look good, or कैसे आपने इसको लाइटिंग ठीक किया है. Just send your messages on the chat. Neha, I loved your idea. Ashwini, even Blackboard for online teaching. Both of these questions I'm going to answer during my class. So I'm going to take care of that. I'm going to answer that. A lot of you guys are messaging to me on private. Do send it on the group only so everybody can get it. Yeah, so a lot of you are asking me about boards. I'm going to answer that. Don't send it on personal, private chat. Send it on everyone only, so everyone can learn from you. Gunjan says she wants to have a clutter-free background. Good. But what jugaad have you used? आपने किया क्या है? Have you used a table lamp on top? Have you moved your table in such a way that आपके सर पे आपके चेहरे पे लाइट आता है और पीछे से लाइट नहीं आता है? Have you got a new chair in place जिससे कि आप comfortably बैठ सकते हो? Have you what have you done? वो आइडिया बताओ तो सब लोग भी सीख सकते हैं आपसे. Yes, Sajina, sitting in front of open window is good. सिंपल फॉर्मेट है कि लाइट चेहरे पे आना चाहिए. The light should be on your face. मैंने आपको डेमो भी दे दिया अलग अलग तरीके से. सपोज दैट लाइट इज एट द बैक, मेरा चेहरा बहुत अच्छे से नहीं दिखता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट मुझे इंटरेस्ट लेवल में कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाता. Good. I'm seeing that some of you have sent some good feedback regarding virtual backdrop also. तो हमने बैकग्राउंड क्लटर फ्री कर दिया. और फोरग्राउंड, व्हाट अबाउट चेहरा? सुबह ब्रश के बिना आके क्लास नहीं करना है. वी मस्ट लुक गुड, नीट एंड क्लीन. अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होके जाना है. व्हाई सो? सिंपल रीजन है, if my audience understands that I am serious for this, I am on time, I am here to teach and I am serious, तो वो भी उतने सीरियसली से सुनते हैं, उतने सीरियस के साथ रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, राइट? So let's be like this good wala photograph and not like this bad wala photograph. Second part that we are going to talk about is best practices. क्या है चीज जो best practices में यूज हो सकती है? Class में a lot of people I have seen sip some tea. Actually, across the world, this is considered to be okay to actually sip tea or drink water. But I personally don't prefer it, क्योंकि जितना हो सके we have to give children or our audience no chance for any distraction, right? खाना तो possible है नहीं, मतलब we are not supposed to do that at all. That's not supposed to be not even supposed to be courteous. We cannot we need to maintain a good tone and language and sound. We need to have pen and paper with us. So I have a pen and paper with me. If I want to write something, I have it ready with me. तो मेरे पास ready है. I need to keep this with me. जब मैं क्लास में कहीं जा रहा हूँ, आई एम कंडक्टिंग इट, उस टाइम पे मैं नहीं सोच सकता अभी अभी आई विल गो एंड गेट, राइट? आई हैव अटेंडेड अ लॉट ऑफ सेशंस वेयर आई फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम आल्सो. यानी क्या होता है कि आइदर बैटरी उड़ जाता है और उड़ जाता है, sure that you have a backup plan also, right? So this is about the look and feel. I spoke to you about the look and feel of this whole thing. Now let's go a little deeper. Now I wanted to I gave you some inputs about how it should be. Now I'm talking to you a little deep, थोड़ा और deep में जा रहा हूँ. So any class, right, be it offline class, or online class, or a video, these are the four basic things, right? Faculty, students, context और content. ये चार चीज है जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चार चीजें. अब ये क्या है करके आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट डीप इनटू इट. आपको पता है फैकल्टी यानी मैं, स्टूडेंट यानी बच्चा, कॉन्टेक्स्ट यानी किस टाइप का क्लास हो रहा है, कंटेंट यानी क्लास में क्या हो रहा है, राइट? सो ये चारों चीजों पे थोड़ा मैं डीप में जाने वाला हूँ. सो आई वांट योर अटेंशन हियर. आपको यहाँ पे फोकस करना है. Because it might get a little technical, but it's very very relevant for you. आज के अपने इस कोर्स के लिए this is very very relevant. First and foremost, अगर मैं मेरे ऑडियंस को नाम से नहीं बुलाता तो समझ लो कि मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाता. सिंपल. अभी मैं एक साल से I have conducted maybe 150 odd classes and I have probably done maybe 1000 odd shows offline. तो मुझे पता है कि जब मैं बात करते हुए नाम से कनेक्ट करता हूँ, देन द इम्पैक्ट इज जस्ट अमेजिंग. जब शेख शगुफ्ता ने मैसेज किया तो आई हैव टू टेल हर नेम, आई हैव टू टेल देयर नेम्स. अच्छा शेख, अच्छा संजना, अच्छा रोहित, वेरी गुड, पुष्पा, वेल डन. दिस इज व्हाट हैज टू हैपन. उससे जो कनेक्ट बनता है दैट इज द बेस्ट वन. Are you guys are able to remember your audience's names? Are you guys able to respond to them and talk to them? If you have any challenges, simple तरीका है. On your Zoom chat there's an option for name. सबका नाम होता है, तो नाम यूज करके आप बिल्कुल अच्छे से कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वहीं से नाम आप पढ़ सकते हो, बट नाम जितना आप पढ़ोगे उतना समझ लो आपका कनेक्शन बन रहा है. जैसे हम क्लास में जाके पर्सनली कनेक्ट करते हैं when we have offline class, वैसे ऑनलाइन क्लास में थोड़ा कम होता है. So that's why I always say that say the name. Okay. During an online class, बाकी मैं क्या करता हूँ that is faculty, right? But faculty, student, context और content सब कुछ कभी effectiveness नहीं हो सकता है. सब कोई एक effective नहीं हो सकता है. ये सब हो ही सकता है. So what are the things we can do to make sure that the class that we have, the course that we are conducting, is not like अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप वहां पे बैठे हो, हाँ सुन रहे हो. Right? ये नहीं होने के लिए I have just listed down some easy, simple, quick engagement ideas. कुछ आप करते भी होगे, कुछ नहीं भी करते होगे, इसके अलावा भी कुछ करते होगे. So now is the time for you to give some ideas other than this also. I'm very happy that a lot of you guys are responding on chat and sending some really good ideas. Keep that on. सबका फायदा होगा तो automatically आपका भी फायदा होगा, right? So engagement ideas में what are the things that I have in mind? One is pre-class survey or polls. Do we do this? Do we conduct a pre-class survey or poll? What is this pre-class survey or poll? In pre-class survey or poll, what we do is we send out a survey beforehand. Example समझ लो, if we are going to teach grade 9 kids about acids and bases, example, then we send a survey beforehand. What is the survey about? What do you think is the pH value of the acid in our stomach? Is it 4 to 5? 7 to 8, 9 to 10, or 11 to 12. So when we have that kind of a survey, so they will also do little bit of reading beforehand. If we are teaching a 5th grade child about, let's say, multiplication or square root, suppose हम लोग ये बता रहे, so we can give them a survey beforehand. जो उनके पास है, they can also have some reading beforehand. So pre-class survey बड़े बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है. इवन इन क्लास सर्वे बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है, एंड देयर आर सिंपल टूल्स फॉर इट। आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू दोस टूल्स आल्सो। एंड आल्सो बीच बीच में पोल्स ला सकते हैं। हमने स्टार्टिंग में पोल लाया, दैट इज यू नो आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू कि पोल कितना इफेक्टिव है। पोल से आपको पता चलता है कि कितने लोग एक्टिव है। सिंपल, अगर मैंने अभी पोल डाला, इफ आई सेंड अ पोल आउट राइट नाउ, राइट, जैसे इफ आई सेंड आउट अ पोल राइट नाउ, मैंने सिर्फ फिर आपको रिलॉन्च किया है जस्ट फॉर यू गाइस टू नो। जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम लॉन्च किया था तो अराउंड 75 लोग ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया था। अब मैंने फिर से लॉन्च, राइट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू टू रिस्पॉन्ड अगेन। अगर आप देखोगे तो नाउ द रिस्पॉन्स विल बी, अभी मैंने सेम पोल डाला है सो दैट you know you guys can just understand the impact of it. but generally ये होता है कि जो एक्टिव नहीं होता है ना वो इस पोल को रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता है। so you get to know how many people are responding to your poll, you get to know how many people are actually active. That's a very good way of doing it. How do you do it in class? आप क्लास में किसे करते हो? क्लास में आप पूछते हो कि those who have done this raise your hand, तो एक बार यू नो सब हिल जाते हैं, हाँ रेज योर हैंड करते हैं। तो जैसा वो वाला फॉर्म है वैसा ही ये पोल है। इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ शेक अप थिंग। मैं एक बार शेकअप कर रहा हूँ बच्चों को ताकि एक दे आर एबल टू जस्ट काइंड ऑफ कनेक्ट बैक विद मी। तो दिस इज वेरी इफेक्टिव इफ डन राइट। मैं इसके कुछ एग्जांपल भी आपको दिखाता हूँ। और सेकंड क्या है कि शेयर रिजल्ट्स, ये बहुत बहुत मस्त। सी राइट नाउ वी हैव गॉट 44 पीपल हु हैव रिस्पोंडेड। तो मतलब ये है कि 98 लोग हैं, उसमें ऑलमोस्ट 50% रिस्पॉन्ड किए। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 50% सो रहे, इट्स नॉट द केस। 50% सुन रहे हैं बट रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे, दैट इज टोटली फाइन। बट व्हाट यू गेट टू डू इज टू शेक देम अप। एक बार कुछ तो देख रहे थे वंस यू लाइक अच्छा पोल है, हाँ आई विल डू समथिंग, सो यू काइंड ऑफ जोड़ देम आउट। ओके, so after that you should always not always, if you share results then others get to know about what others have filled, how right are they, how wrong are they. So polls are a very effective way. Second, this I do a lot and it's super effective for me. What I do is I teach Scratch to kids. Okay, I teach Scratch, I teach Python to kids. So before I teach, before they come online for the class, what I do is I send out a video about Scratch, or I send a video about Python, some fun video, or some chota mota challenge I put it in that, and then I send out to, let's say generally there are around 30 kids who attend my workshop or in my course, so I send it out to them. उसमें 5 people respond back. तो मुझे पता है कि these 5 people are with me, इनको बहुत इंटरेस्ट है इस टॉपिक में, that is why they have responded. So I know कि ये 30 में से 5 people are with me. I'm going to use their name. I'm going to call out their name. I'm going to say that wonderful, that's so very well done. And I can also keep a tab of how many people have seen the video. So even seen video का भी मुझे information मिलता है कि कितने लोग ने देखा है. So automatically I get to know without doing anything how much my class is interested in. Even before doing anything, before starting to say hi, I'm Harsha, I know my class is keen, or I have to pump them up to be keen, right? So that's how this is effective. Next, we have assessment forms. Assessment forms are very easy online forms to either assess the children, give some quizzes, give some questions for them to answer. ये भी बहुत effective है, ये भी बहुत easy है. I'm going to show you how it can be done also. Feedback forms. Feedback forms, we did it for a school workshop some time back, and the kind of information we got. We recently started to use feedback forms. उसमें टीचर का फीडबैक हो सकता है, स्टूडेंट का फीडबैक हो सकता है, टाइप ऑफ क्लास का फीडबैक हो सकता है. We can do all these things, and the information it gives is just fantastic. So feedback forms are one other way जिसे कि आपको पता चल सकता है whatever you want to know. It can be anything about the effectiveness of anything. Feedback forms are very effective. How many of you know what breakout rooms are? Breakout rooms. Breakout rooms. Sorry. Breakout rooms are rooms created inside a Zoom room where I can have discussions inside a meeting. Example है कि right now there are 100 people. Okay. if 100 people and I want to have a meeting of, let's say, I want to form 6 groups. So there's a breakout room option here, and I can form 6 groups, and I can get them to discuss inside those rooms, and then they can come out and present. कुछ लगता नहीं, it's very easy, simple. Zoom has this option already. But what we don't realize is ये कैसे यूज करना है, will it be effective or not. Try things, एक दो बार मिस्टेक भी हो जाएगा, that's okay. Annotation. Starting हमने देखा कि some inquisitive participants were trying out with annotations. Annotations are fantastic. लिखते रहो, उसमें आप कुछ बनाते रहो. So जो आपकी कुछ ना कुछ अलग देख रही है, they are able to see and know what is it that we are going to talk to them about. Then organizer. This also I'm going to show you a sample. I'll just go ahead to show you what we had done. Okay. तो एक हमारा क्लास था डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन पे. So we had got them to create. We had made this kind of a pre-class survey. So they had to write all these things before even they come to the class. I sent out some video to them. ऐसा वीडियो बना के डाल देते हैं हम लोग. उस वीडियो के अंदर they can have a look at what I'm going to cover, or it can be a personal video. मेरा वीडियो भी कभी मैं भेज सकता हूँ. I can do that also. This is what I spoke about. इसके अंदर I spoke to you about the third point, right? Create the last point. Create organizer before ad. So this is how I can create an organizer on my LMS, on my system, on their system. जहाँ भी उनको देख के पता है कि this is what is going to happen in every class, right? There's no right or wrong way of doing it. You can use a calendar, you can use a paper and pen, you can use technology, जो भी करना है. But when you do this, right, as a participant, I'm very well aware this is what I have to do and this is what is going to happen, right? Now I'm going to give you some time to just mull over whatever I spoke about, right? Maybe you want to write down stuff, you can write down stuff. And I'm going to give you a chance to send your messages again on chat on what is it that you do to engage with kids, right? And we're going to take a 2-minute break. I'm also going to drink some water. I'm going to also wait for your messages on the chat. I'm waiting for you guys to send more messages about what you do differently to engage with kids. everybody, आप मुझे प्राइवेट में मैसेज भेजोगे तो मैं आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू. रिक्वेस्ट यू टू मैसेज इन द ग्रुप. We've got Dipesh, we've got support team who will respond to you and also keep track and answer your queries. Thank you. I'm loving the feedback, guys. I'm loving some of the inputs. I'm also liking your questions. Keep this on. I'm going to keep this break on for 20 more seconds. So let's see if there are other ideas. I'm going to read them aloud also. Arshna, I like your idea of having a place in the house, which is a corner where I only used to study, used to conduct a class. It's a fantastic idea. My partner in Bangalore actually has got a background with everything stuck with DIY things and all that. It looks very, 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 very nice. It's a good idea, Arshna. Trupti, your idea of asking questions in between is also very good. Questions पूछेंगे, बच्चे आंसर करेंगे तो एक तो सबको भी पता चलेगा और एक्टिविटी भी बढ़ेगा. गुड पॉइंट. Regarding creating poll, Deepa, I'm going to take that up. Assessment also, I'm going to take that up. Asma, जो आप बोल रहे हो for IT subject screenshot, that's a good idea. We're going to build on that also. I will then move ahead. The one who's using Annotate, wow, you created a fantastic design. I love it. Okay, I was telling you about how to use the options to engage. Good point, guys. Chalo. Acha, I'm very happy with the feedback that I'm getting. But I don't know why most of you are sending on private. Group it allo because Dipesh sir is also there and we've got our support team also. They can respond. This happened during one of my online classes, and what I realized was that everybody has their style of teaching. You might be teaching in so many years and you have studied in so many years, so you have seen so many teachers, so you know that one kind of teaching style works for somebody, one kind of teaching style works for somebody. So I had an English teacher who used to always teach in this way. I want to tell you that he had this, he never used to speak like that, but during class he would have this tone, teach you that. He used to make fun of it, but then it was his unique style, right? The same way in online class also we have a unique style of teaching. It can be like a lecture, like what I am doing now is more like a lecture. I am talking, most of you are listening, so it's a lecture. It can be a discussion. Discussion could be for lesser number of kids, lesser number of people, where we can have a discussion on topics that we both are exploring, right? It's an inquiry-based method. Then the third is a student presentation. We can have a student also present for 5 minutes. For example, we can have a student present for one particular topic on, for if it's today on AV, how to have a good AV, right? So we can have a student presentation also 5 minutes, 2 slides, we can do that. We can have guest speakers. We can have authorities speaking to kids. It could be anybody, like me and Dipesh are friends. Dipesh asked me to speak. So I'm a guest speaker now. But then the impact it creates is huge. So you guys are well networked. We've been teaching since so many years. I'm from Royal School. There is another school in another city called Sanjeevani School. Just call them up, ask them to be guest speaker for your class, and you can be guest speaker for their class. it's so useful. It's a burst of energy. Everybody is interested, right? Then there's a fifth one, which is student center, where number of students are still lesser, where we'll have more like experiments or DIY or activities more. That's student center. And fifth is training. Training is like, now my case, it's a training, right? In training, I'm an authority, I'm an expert, and everybody is listening. So this is a training. So you decide what kind of a teaching format works for you. Whatever, try different things if you want, and whatever works, right? You know that this is my style, then build on that style. Online teaching is here to stay. So make sure that you try different things on jo aapko lagta hai yaar, this is my style, I can do well in this. Then build on that and make it effective, right? So just to sum up whatever I said during my second part of best practices, have a good setup, computer connection, have participants have a good setup. I know it's a challenge in a lot of places, but let us get our parents to understand that this is a way of learning and they have to, invest time, money, effort in having a good setup. Third is practice. Now, if I have to conduct a good course, if I have to conduct a good class, I need to practice, guys. A lot of you have messaged me in personal about you guys not knowing about Zoom, or you guys are still exploring. That's totally fine. But do practice about presenting, chatting, muting the audio, screen sharing. ऐसा नहीं हो कि when we are conducting a class, we are trying to fidget. अरे poll कैसे करते हैं? अरे how do I have a breakout room? Try different things with people so you are prepared, right? And support. It's very important. If you're doing something new, take help. There's so much online. There are people who are experts in this. Take help from them. You can always do it, right? So this is, I want to sum up my best practices. Now I'm going to the third part where most of you have asked me questions on this. I'm going to cover that, right? This is software support. So in my offline class, I mostly conduct a class with my audience right in front of me. मेरे सामने रहते हैं. But in an online class, the audience is not in front of me. I need to have a good system, a good software to support me. And what are those things that we can use to support? One is most important, that is having a good audio conferencing or a video conferencing system. So I use Zoom, I use Microsoft Teams, I use Google Meets, I use GoToMeeting, I use 3 or 4, but mostly I prefer Zoom. You guys can see what works for you, and you can do this. In a live class, we call it a synchronous. In technical terms, we call it a synchronous feature. So in synchronous, जब मैं live होता हूँ, so I need voice, sharing of webcam, screen sharing, and text chat, and the focus is on repeat. Whatever I say, whatever I do, whatever I show, whatever you listen, whatever I ask is all repeat form. I want to repeat and ensure that my message is through to you. There's a second form which is asynchronous. Asynchronous क्या होता है? Where the video is already there and activities are already there, and and the audience is now listening. I don't know if you guys are you guys understood the difference. In synchronous, I am doing a live class. That is this one. In asynchronous, I am not doing a live class. It's a recorded video. It's an asynchronous model, right? Synchronous में live होता है, asynchronous में recorded होता है. So in recorded, in live, what are the things that you can do? I showed it here, and yeah, there's more. I'm going to tell you more ideas on this. In asynchronous, focus primarily is on video and volume. Lot of times I see there are so many people who record videos. Their volume is low. I cannot expect my audience to listen to me with so much of effort. It's very tough. So have a good system जिसमें video का volume अच्छा खासा हो, so I can listen very clearly, right? During the class, I can have activities, right? Even on a video based thing, I can do really good activities, which is team and individual. And how do you find them out? Whatever is there in the textbooks, whatever is there in online, you just have to create some simple basic activities out of it. It's very easy and doable. Third is brainstorming. Brainstorming is very effective when it's a group class on topics like history, like future of something, English. Brainstorming is very effective. Isme you have 3 or 4 people who brainstorm and come up with something. You can do this. We can have forums and gamifications in asynchronous. So in asynchronous, we can have a video and we can tell them that if you do go to this forum and read this and answer my question, I give you 1 point. I'm going to repeat it for you. During my video, I can just present a pause and I can tell them that click on this link, go to this forum, read it up, come back, answer my question or a quiz or an assessment, and I'll give you a point. Gamification is giving a point, right? We can do that. We can take advantage of so much of links, workbooks, resources, which we could not before, right? When we were offline, we could not take advantage of this. Now that we are online, we can take huge advantage of this. We can take help from links that are online. We can get people to read it. We can get people to fill up the workbooks. We can ask them to check out the resources. It's like, and there's so much online. We know that Google Baba ke paas koi kami nahi hai resources ke. There is so much online, right? Also, we can get them to read stuff. We can give them improvements right there, right? And we can also send out some basic slides, right? I'm going to talk about basic slides also later. एक basic slide बना के दे दिया तो people know that this is what we are going to cover. Okay? Now this is very important for people who ask me about what they can do, how they can teach kids and using stuff other than Zoom, right? So these are some of the photos, some of the websites. All these websites are free. Right? आप ये सब free में use कर सकते हो. There's no cost for this. You can use this for free. What you need to do is just to create an account. And Canva is a website that allows us to create some good posters, good infographics for free. Render Forest allows us to just merge things and create a video. YouTube तो सबको पता है. Most of us are on YouTube for an hour a day. That's what the survey says. Maybe not you personally, but most of the people are on YouTube a lot. Google Forms. So somebody asked me how to create a poll or how to create an assessment form. There are Google Forms. It's a free. Just create a Google form and a survey, right? There's a SurveyMonkey. You can use SurveyMonkey website also to create a assessment or a feedback. If you want to share files to people, there are sometimes bigger files, maybe bigger videos, maybe exe files or large PDF files. You can always use FileBin or Google Drive. Google Drive is what I use, but there's another site called FileBin. Quickly upload kar diya, link de diya or de diya. You have an ID, don't have an ID, still you use FileBin. And Google Classroom. I don't know how many of you are using it, but Google Classroom is fantastic, guys. They have got everything there. We used to use Google Classroom 3-4 months ago. Now we've moved to a different system, which I'm going to show. So Google Classroom is very effective. We can check that also. So I was telling you about what we have done to actually make our life very easy. All the things that I spoke about, right? Like videos, activities, brainstorming, forums, workbooks, resources, Google Forms, surveys, Google file sharing, Classroom. All these things are put together in this. It's called LMS. How many of you know what is LMS? Type on chat. What is LMS? Archana, Rajesh, Ashwini, thank you so much. That is learning management system. So I use this learning management system, and whatever I spoke about, I've inculcated everything into it, right? So this is the Prism's learning management system, which has courses, and I can just go to courses, and I can create. This is my backend, right? This is my training portal. So I can really do all these things on the sorry. on the portal. If I want to share something, I can share media. I can have some links I want to share, Google Classroom ID I want to share, some PDF, some formats. If I want to tell them what are the things that I'm going to cover, if I want to give them an assignment, all these things are possible on this. If you can use an LMS that has all these things put together, that is great. If you don't have an LMS with all these things put together, I've already told you what are the different ways where you can teach them without even having an LMS. All the things that are there in LMS can be taught using independent websites also. So I think Deepa and Sanjida, I think I've answered your question about how to have these things at one place and how to have a poll. So there's a quiz here, the certificates are here, lessons are here, assignments are here. Some idhar hi rehte. You can also do this, or you can use different websites. Like I said, both are right. There's nothing hard and fast ki isi tarah karne se hoga. You can do any of them. Right, so this is how my interface looks like. This is how my learning management system looks like, right? I told you कि जो भी मुझे चाहिए सब इसमें से मैंने डाला हुआ है. तो I use learning management system, but then like I said, there are hundreds of websites, thousands of options, but कमी है कि कोई देखता ही नहीं है. Nobody researches, nobody finds out. तो अगर आप find out करेंगे तो you'll find many options. Just go online, look up, and you'll find it, right? So I've covered about 75-80% of what I had to cover. This included about some basic tips about how my eye should look like, how my background should look like. It included some stuff about how my faculty, content, context, and students should be aligned. This included about what are the best practices that will help everybody, some softwares and learning management systems we can use. Now I'm going to talk to you about presentation. I told you we can send out some slides. So इस तरह से basic slide बनाने में it just takes this slide I created in just 12 minutes. So I can make this slide and I can use it. I can send it out. You should not. We make our example दिखाता हूँ आपको. I should not make a slide like this here. Do not read what is written on the slide. Avoid using too much text. ये सब लोग करते हैं भाई. Everybody does this. This is so much effective and it doesn't take much time. Canva is a free software. Render Forest is a free software. Just use it, create it, and send it. आपका level ही अलग बन जाता है, right? When you present, always tell a story. Always tell a story. Don't just harp on specific. ये. Tell a story. मजा आता है. Do demonstrations. Use a PPT to your advantage. Use like what I have done, right? I have different slides for different things. आपको मैं हर एक चीज स्लाइड में बता रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ, स्लाइड में बता रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ. Very effective for online course. So that's what I had to cover, right? There are some bye tips. कुछ अच्छे tips है that I want to give you. Before that, I'm going to give you a 2-minute break. If you have any specific questions, जिसमें कि हर्षा अगर आप ये कवर करते तो this will be good for me. Harsha, if this is something that can be solved, I'll be very happy. You can post it, or Dipesh, if you have found some questions on the chat which I might have missed because there were a lot, you can just send it and I can take it up. I'm going to give you a 2-minute break for now.
Yes.
guys for whiteboard आपने कुछ लोग ने पूछा है before also. This is the best one यार. जो भी मेरे पास I am just using annotate from Zoom. It's very effective. काफी चीजें हैं उसके अंदर. I can just use spotlight. You know, I can have a format. इसमें कुछ लिखना है तो मैं लिख भी सकता हूँ. Just check annotate. आप अभी check कर सकते हो and you can do different things on this.
You can share whiteboard and then you can try.
हाँ. Yeah, somebody wrote A. That's right. You can use a background and you can annotate. Annotate is simple. ऊपर से annotate ले लो. There are so many good ideas in this. आपको अगर you want to stamp ये आपको डालना है, you can put it. आपको spotlight डालना है, कुछ specifically you want to specifically mention. ये देखो. तो whiteboard तो हर एक सॉफ्टवेयर में Microsoft Teams has a very good whiteboard. Zoom has quite a good annotation facility. Teams में actually इसमें Google Meets में थोड़ा problematic है. But what Google Meet allows you to share a different screen and वहाँ पे कर सकते हो. That's a big.
So anything particularly for mathematics? There are a few questions on that. You know.
So maths, I don't know how many of you guys are already using. In Python, there are lot of simple math apps. So I'm just going to send you the link of one of those. It's called Programmer IZ. I'm going to send it to you here only. You can use Python to teach maths in a very effective way. programiz.com, right? You guys can check it up. programiz.com. इसके अंदर if you go to math Python के लिए, if you can go to Python editor, you can use really good stuff in this. The programming is easy and you can effectively teach also.
A few hand raises also, and there are, I think, questions when I will be taking later on or now.
I'm okay if there are some questions on the chat, I can take it up right now. Otherwise, I'll finish and have people give feedback and ask questions. I can do that. So I'll finish this then, Deepesh.
Okay.
Okay, great. So this I've said as bye-bye tips because some of these things people might already know also, but I thought some people might not have actually put it into their head, so I thought I'll mention it here. One is understand your audience, understand the body language. Now out here today, I have not asked you guys to switch on the video, right, on purpose, because Deepesh was telling me already that maybe most of them will not. But then during a class, in my class, when I teach Scratch or when I teach them Wix, when I teach them DIY science, I make sure that their video is on. अगर वीडियो ऑन होता है तो बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, कितना मेरी तरफ ध्यान दे रहा है, I can get to know. I can look into their eyes, I can see their expression. कोई अगर बैठा है, कोई ऐसे कर रहा है, तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज से I get to know a lot of things. And because this is effective for me, I can then phase my speed to match the interest and understanding of my children. Based on that, I can have types of interactions. What are types of interactions? I can have an interaction where I can do learner to learner interaction. Learner to learner mein I can have somebody post a challenge, somebody answer it. I can have learner to teacher. You can ask, I can answer, I can ask, you can answer. I can have an expert in that. In expert, I can have learner to expert interactions. ये सब चीजें we have to try, we have to see what works, and we have to then we have to make up our mind कि यार मेरे इस क्लास में मैं इस तरह करूँगा. Like I said, it's a new world. Online teaching is a new world for most of us, and when it's new, we have to try out different things so that it is effective. Also, setting expectations are very important. Starting में अगर मैं बता दूं कि सर मैं ये 4 चीजें कवर करने वाला हूँ, तो इसमें से 1 में आपको इंटरेस्ट है, 2 में है, 3 में नहीं है, 4 में नहीं है, तो you know that I should sit for the class or not. मैं स्टार्टिंग में बोलूं ही नहीं कि मैं ये सब करने वाला हूँ और मैं बोलने लग जाऊं, तो मे बी you'll feel यार, you know how. So always set expectations, right? Always have contingency. तो मैं हमेशा ये करता हूँ. So this is my mobile. See, in my mobile I've already got my Zoom on. Same चीज यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है. This is my Zoom app only. तो अगर मेरा लैपटॉप उड़ जाता, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता, तो I have my backup on. So I wouldn't want my audience to, get a break for 5 minutes because some glitch in technically. तो मैं contingency ready रखता हूँ. Have my goals and objectives. कि मैं 1 hour में मुझे इतना कवर करना है, तो मैं इतना कवर करूंगा और 5-10 minutes में इधर हो सकता हूँ. तो have my goals clear. Thank you so much for listening. Now I'm open for questions. You can ask your questions.
Yes, we can take the questions. What you can do is you can raise the hand and we'll unmute one by one, and then you can spell your name and then you can ask the question. Yes, Trupti ma'am, you can ask the question. Miss Trupti Kenjali madam.
Maybe she raised the hand by mistake when she was trying different things on Zoom debate. You can ask somebody else.
Okay. So yes, you can raise the hands, and by then you can explain. There are a few questions like how to create poll.
Yeah.
There's
so creating poll is pretty simple. I can create a poll either on Zoom or I can create a poll on my LMS. So in my LMS, it's using my quiz. I can create a poll. On my Zoom, on my scheduled meeting, I need to go to my Zoom ID. That's a paid ID that I have. From that, I need to create a poll. Or I can go to Google Forms. I can create a poll. You guys, if you want to note down, I said Google Forms. I said Zoom ID. I said LMS. We can also create a simple poll on my SurveyMonkey. On my SurveyMonkey also I can create a poll. So the idea is to just make them respond. So whatever works for you, whatever is effective for you, you can take it up.
The one with Zoom, I think it's available in paid version.
Yes.
So I think in LMS or in Google Forms or something, we can create, and we can share the link in chat, and you can ask them for response.
Okay, Megha, meeting ends after 30 minutes, difficult again joining. So if it's a free Zoom ID, it will end in 30 minutes. Paid Zoom ID is 1,000 rupees per user. You can get Zoom, or still better, Google Meets is free. मैं सबको बताते रहता हूँ, Google Meets is free, absolutely free. Microsoft Teams is absolutely free for all the schools. If you have a LMS system has inbuilt video learning. So cost is not much at all. आप बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो. There is no need to end the meeting after 30 minutes. Also we have Sneha, annotation के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Just go on top. There's an option for annotate, ANNOTAT. उसको यूज करके आप अलग-अलग चीजें कर सकते हो. I tried different things. हर्षा टाइप कर दिया, स्टार डाल दिया. You can try different things. अभी इस स्क्रीन में भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो.
You can try now also.
Yeah. I don't mind if you. Yeah, if you create, give me a star on top. I'm happy. Yes, Meghna, what you said is correct. When we are sharing screen, we get to see little of what they're doing. So what I do is right now, मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. देखो मेरे पास यहाँ पे है. I get to see कि मेरे audience क्या कर रहे हैं. So that's what I do. But then your question is very valid कि जब हम लोग screen share करते हैं तो हम लोग नहीं देख पाते हैं. जैसे हम लोग अगर ब्लैक बोर्ड में लिखते हैं तो बच्चों को नहीं देख पाते, राइट? It is the same way. You have to come up with an idea to make it work. That's it, right? Primary classes. Okay, that's a very good question. Sarita, good question. Primary class के लिए क्या अच्छा effective tip है? मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा effective tip. Look online, okay? A primary child is able to have an attention span of 12 minutes. Uh, pre-primary is 12 minutes, primary is 18, secondary is 32, and more than 15-year-old is around 40. If you're मैंने भी वही किया ना, I did not keep talking. I gave you 5-minute break, 2-minute break, जिसमें you go and come back, refresh, give some chat. So that's very effective. एक साथ बोलते नहीं रहेंगे, कुछ उनको भी करने बोलेंगे. That's also good. Stories help in. Okay, I think I've covered the questions. Any other? Is Google Meet effective than Zoom? We have technical problem with Zoom. So, sir, I don't know which is effective. I use all three. मैं सब Microsoft Teams, Google Meet और Zoom तीनों यूज करता हूँ. और मेरे LMS में भी इनबिल्ट है, Prism वाले LMS में मैं वो भी यूज करता हूँ. तो मुझे I've got good Wi-Fi. I have generally no problem. Google Meets is very simple. Zoom has more features. Microsoft Teams is difficult to use, but then once you use it, it has a lot of features in it. In my Prisms LMS, whatever I've got, I've just put things inside it. तो मैं वहां से यूज करता हूँ. सब अपने अपने तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Can we share letters on screen? Yeah, we can share letters on screen. हम लोग के पास we can just have a PPT with letters and we can share on screen. कोई problem नहीं. Mrs. Padvi.
In this, you can also share YouTube videos and all this,
Yes.
while sharing screen. But what most of them they miss it, they don't share audio.
Correct.
But in mobile, is the option available to share audio?
I'm not sure. I generally don't use mobile. I use.
Okay.
Good. I think we've covered most of the things that were planned today. We've already, it was a 1 hour, 15-minute thing. We've already reached the end of it. I would like to hear from a couple of you. I know you guys have not been very responsive on the chat group, but I would be very interested to, if anybody wants to talk and tell me, what was good for them, what did they learn from it. It will be very helpful for me. Does anybody want to volunteer and ask? You can raise your hand on chat and I can unmute you. Or you can post your messages on chat. That's also good with me. Sharmila, thank you so much for your response. Thank you so much. Thank you, Drupti. Thank you, Shri. Any feedback? What is the thing that you learned? Takeaway kya tha? What was your biggest takeaway? That's what is interesting for me. What is that one thing that you absolutely loved and said that, "Arey yaar, kal se class mein ye kar sakta hu." What is that one thing that you love? What is your takeaway? That you put it here. Soumya Shastri says polls. Very good. Arey, thank you. Aate rahega, bhai. Thank you is good. Give me some feedback. What is it that you learned? Yes, Sharmila, I did recap for you also. Very good. We need to do recap. Annotate was good for you, Durva. Good. Annotate is very effective if used well. Especially for younger kids, it's very useful. Polls was good. Annotate and poll. Soya. Asma says poll. Good. Yes, Deepa. Using PPTs effectively, it's an art. Only thing is you need to practice and be ready for it.
Yes. How can we take quizzes like the online session? There's one.
I'll answer that. Dipesh, I'll answer that, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah. See, in my learning management system, I have a quiz option. Okay, so I will just show you. I've got some quizzes already ready. I just need to go to quiz, and there are so many of them that I've already created. So for my trial course in this, I have a quiz ready. So इसके अंदर I can just send the link to 1 minute. I'll just show you how to do that. So in this is my quiz का link. It's ready right here, and all the questions are here, and the answers are here. So the answers are so easy to do. ये देखो ये answers हैं. I can, this is the right option, and what are the things to write वो यहाँ पे. So easy, quiz अपन बहुत अच्छे से बना सकते हैं.
Okay, so in the online session itself, we can have the quiz session.
Yeah,
I
very
mean,
much.
we can, for interactive or for engagement, in the online session itself, we can have 5 minutes break for quiz.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, Sneha says annotate was good. Susan, you like the breaks? Okay, I'm very good at this. I always make sure that I don't talk more than 20-25 minutes. I always give breaks, do something. And you know how it's helpful for me? I can also drink some water. I can also, stretch myself. So I'm back. So that's very useful.
In quiz, can we give question answers?
Yeah, we can. Right here, I can just add one for you to show you how it is to be done. So now the question is this one, right? I can add a new one. Right. So when I was a child, I used to always be scared of Battle of Panipat. So you're going to use that. Write a Battle of Panipat. Add as new. So it's right here. So I can make it single choice. I can make it multi-choice. I can make them write the answer. All these things can be done. Yeah, I can edit it. What else, guys?
How to seek response from primary kids if we are keeping them muted? Any other option than raise hand?
So what I feel is when we have a class for pre-primary children, generally ask their parents to be there. I think mostly parents are there, but then generally ask them to be there because child ऐसे यहाँ चले जाते हैं. So make sure that the parents are there. For primary, the responses are much lesser. Across the world, it is like that. The messages that the response that you get are much lesser for primary and for higher secondary. So always connect with them. Even if they don't respond, ask them to show you a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So I do this. Thumbs up matlab good, thumbs up matlab not good, or this matlab okay. इतना तो करते हैं वीडियो पे, इतना तो करा सकते हैं ना कि ये बोलो thumbs up, ये बोलो thumbs down, मतलब okay. That's what we do. And when we do with voice, we do ये मतलब good, ooh मतलब down, मतलब okay. हम लोग ये करते हैं. We do this a lot. Pre-primary students, Urmila, it is, the word says 12 minutes, but then it's your call. You also know कि 10-15 मिनट से ज़्यादा बच्चे नहीं सुनते हैं. 10-15 मिनट करना है, फिर कुछ rhyme, फिर कुछ movement, then again get back. How to view all students at the same time? हमारा स्क्रीन उतना ही बड़ा है, जितने बच्चे दिखते हैं उतने बच्चे देख सकते हैं. We cannot see more than that.
Yes, Anisa Mulani, you have any question?
Zoom एक्सप्लोर करते ओपन क्वेश्चन उन्होंने रेज कर दिया. Connecting with their name, yes. Sharmila, I'm happy that you sent it. I'll tell you one story here. We conduct a lot of classes for kids where we get them to do a demo. उनको demo पसंद आता है तो they sign up for a paid class, right? So we have done this exact thing. So I used to always tell their name. अरे अंकिता, ये आपने जो बनाया ना, ये fantastic है. अरे अंकिता, the way you are able to respond is great. ऐसा जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो automatically they sign up for a paid class. talking with their name is very, चैट में नहीं कर सकते शिमला, तो आप उनको बोल दो कि अपना नाम लिखने के लिए. तो I write my name as Coder Guru. When I conduct my class, I write my name as Coder Guru. And I ask them also to write their name or whatever they like. Somebody writes Coder Boy, somebody like Science Specialist, somebody like Scientist Guru. अपने अपना नाम लिखते हैं, आप उनको उस तरह बोला. That's okay. They need that individual attention. If we can give that, nothing like. Yogita, physical activities is a little difficult. I also, I've got questions on this before also. I generally say avoid क्योंकि screen इतना ही है. In this screen, what else can you, how much can you show? If you have to move around and do it gets quite tough. Or you need to have good quality equipment, which can cover good, close up and far off image also. अगर वैसे रहता है तो we can. Otherwise, it gets tough here. So I'm sorry, but I don't watch for it. मुझे लगता है कि खड़े होके या तो मूव करके ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज जो फोकस है वो हट जाता है. Yes, Urmila, very much. Quiz should be pre-prepared. You should have it ready. And हर क्लास में मेरे, आप इसमें देखोगे, हर क्लास में ये लिखा देखो, prepare, 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 prepare. Prepare, 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 prepare. सब कुछ prepare मैंने बोला. You need to be well prepared.
So I think when we are conducting online session, LMS, like whatever you have to teach has to be kept ready on LMS. Like suppose you want to take any questions, answers, or any quiz, it has to be kept ready before itself, like what you're going to have it.
Correct. Great then, guys, thank you so much for being online. Thank you so much for spending your hour and a half with me. Thank you, Deepesh. It was a fantastic experience. I loved what I learned today. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Harsha, for your time. It was indeed a pleasure to have you here for the session. Hope our teachers have found it useful.
So, yeah, I see some good feedback. I'm happy, guys.
This is great. So we'll have some further future sessions as well. We'll hope that you'll be able to get time. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Chalo,
thank
bye-bye,
you.
guys.
Thank you all.
See you.